జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
దశరథ మహారాజు crying a lot in front of Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi is now asking, "O Raja, you always praise yourself, saying that you always speak truth and you always stand on your words that you gave. Now what is going on? Why are you doing like this?" When Kaikeyi accusingly said those words, Dasharatha Maharaj immediately again got up and with so much of anger, he is saying that, "Oh Kaika, do you know, if I send Rama to the forest, I would definitely die. I cannot be alive. After I die, I will be going to heaven, the Swargam. There also all the devatas comes to me and accuses me and says to me that, how dare you send Rama to the forest? How did you even send Rama to the forest? Like that, they all will dislike me. After I send Rama to the forest, I would not enjoy even in heaven also. O Kaika, let me remind you, Rama and his divine qualities, his divine personification." Dasharatha Maharaj is now trying to again remind all the qualities of Rama to the Kaikeyi, expecting that after listening again, she might change her mind. Dasharatha Maharaj is saying that, "Ho Kaika, my Rama, Surascha, such a brave man, my Rama, Krutavidyascha, he is very knowledgeable, my Rama, Jitakrodhaha, he conquered anger, my Rama, Kshemaparaha." O Kaika, Rama has so much patience, such wonderful qualities Rama has. Kamalapatrakshaha, do you remember Rama's beautiful eyes, like lotus-like eyes? Can you again remember please? Like that he is saying that, and also saying that, "Oh Kaikeyi, such wonderful man, such handsome man, such great man, how can I send him to the forest? Kadam maya Ramo vivasyate, how can I ask him to go to the forest? I have done so many yajnas and yagas. Finally, I am blessed with such a wonderful son. How can I send my Rama to the forest?" O Kaika, my Rama has such a beautiful black eyes, Indivarasyamam, such beautiful eyes. My Rama has Dirghabahum, such lengthy shoulders. My Rama is Mahabalam. My Rama is Abhiramam. The moment you see Rama, you will not be able to take off your eyes from Rama. Such beautiful, handsome personification is Rama. How can I ask such wonderful man, Rama, to go to forest? Kadam aham Ramam preshayishyami dandakan. O Kaika, before even I ask Rama to come here and ask Rama to go to forest, before all that happens, it is better for me to die before even do all these things. O Kaika, let me die before I call Rama." Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju crying a lot, and by then it started slowly getting dark and dark. He is asking, "Oh darkness," that means, "Oh night, please do not pass it through very quickly. Let this night be all the time like this only, because the moment the sun rises, I have to call my Rama. I have to ask Rama to go to forest, which I cannot do that. Oh darkness, oh night, please stay as it is. Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju cried a lot, and again just fell on the floor, and slowly it is now dark. The night is passing through and slowly getting to rise the day. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us chant the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.